For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of overcooked rice, mushy texture, and a kitchen full of mess? Do you struggle with manually steaming rice for hours on end? But here's what surprised me when I stumbled upon the Aroma 8-cup digital rice steamer, this game-changing kitchen appliance that transforms the way we cook rice. But have you heard about digital rice steamers before? They're not just for cooking enthusiasts or professional chefs, they can be a staple in any home kitchen. Therefore, let's dive into what makes this product so special and whether it lives up to its promise of effortless rice steaming. The Aroma 8-cup digital rice steamer has garnered over 12,000 customer reviews on Amazon, with an overall rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. But don't just take their word for it, let's examine what features and benefits set this product apart from others in the market. Refrigerate cooked rice within 30 minutes to prevent bacterial growth. Aroma's digital display shows precise cooking time, ensuring perfectly cooked rice every time. 3 different settings: white rice, brown rice, and quick cooking for added versatility. Automatic shutoff feature for safe and worry-free operation. But what about the quality of the product? Let's take a closer look at its construction. The Aroma 8-cup digital rice steamer is made with stainless steel and has a compact design that won't occupy too much space in your kitchen. Here are some pros mentioned by satisfied customers. Easiest rice steamer I've ever used, perfect for cooking large quantities. Great product, very versatile and easy to clean. Excellent customer service from Aroma's team. However, as with any product, there are some cons that need to be considered. Some users reported issues with the digital display not functioning properly after a few months of use. Customer support could improve in terms of responding promptly to queries. Therefore, is the Aroma 8-cup digital rice steamer worth your investment? Let's summarize its benefits and weigh them against the potential drawbacks. Pros: easy operation, precise cooking time, automatic shutoff feature, compact design, and excellent customer service. Cons: some users experienced issues with the digital display. Customer support could improve. As someone who has personally used this product for several weeks now, I can confidently say that it's a worthwhile investment for any home cook or professional chef looking to upgrade their rice steaming game. But here's what really sets this product apart: its ability to save you time and effort in the kitchen. No more manually monitoring cooking times or dealing with sticky messes. Therefore, let's talk about the impact of this product on your daily life and whether it's worth the price tag. Consider this: Aroma 8-cup digital rice steamer can help you cook for larger groups without breaking a sweat. Imagine being able to serve perfectly cooked rice at family gatherings or parties with ease. And with its automatic shutoff feature, you don't have to worry about burnt offerings or safety hazards in the kitchen. But what if I told you that this product is not just limited to cooking rice? With its versatility and precision settings, you can experiment with different types of grains like quinoa, bulgur, and even frozen vegetables. Therefore, let's explore some creative ways to use this appliance beyond just steaming rice. Some ideas: try cooking lentils or chickpeas for a protein-packed meal. Experiment with different seasoning combinations for unique flavors. Use the Aroma 8-cup digital rice steamer as a base for cooking other grains. In conclusion, after thoroughly examining its features and benefits, I can confidently say that the Aroma 8-cup digital rice steamer is worth considering for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen with a versatile and efficient appliance. Therefore, don't waste your money on mediocre rice steamers or struggle with manual cooking methods. For the best price, click the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing product and start cooking like a pro today.